Hello, welcome to my mind. Mm, I don't normally allow people to get in here, so this is a great opportunity for you and, of course, for me. Let's begin. Sorry, that was my heart. He always wants to go first, and that's not where I wanted to take you. We discovered something and we were very excited about it. It was something like a very smart phrase, something like that. We must not forget, we said, and then we continued. Yeah, we should paste it with capital big letters on the wall in front of our beds so we won't forget. 1 hour later, I asked her, or she asked me, what was that thing that we were going to paste in the wall? I still can't remember. I just dreamed this. Esto lo soñé. Hemos pasado más tiempo y hemos vivido más cosas. Like, for example, a love engagement. It's supposed to be serious. Yes. Otherwise, it couldn't be love. So, if it is serious, then you make a promise. Like, I love you forever. You say, this will never end. And that's love, at least the one which survives. But if life has an end, then how could it be serious? I love being here. Really, I love being heard. Who doesn't? I hope there's no blood on my skirt. The other day I was thinking in the possibility of a strange event. As I was walking, I began to imagine that a big bird would stand on my right shoulder. I thought it would be kind of nice at first, but then I imagined this bird attacking me, even killing me. Then I decided I wouldn't like that to happen. But then I kept on imagining how would it be to have this black bird over my right shoulder. And I began feeling afraid. I wouldn't like that. How should I react? Shall I be friendly? Or hit him with my purse? By the time I thought that the possibility of a bird coming to stand into my right shoulder at that very moment was about 0.0000000000001%, my whole body was tense, and I decided to stop thinking about that. But now I'm worried about that 0.00000000001 percentage. I mean, anything could happen to anyone at any time. This is scary, isn't it? This thought would be brilliant if only good things could happen. But as there are also bad things that could happen, then it is definitely not a good idea to keep such a thought with me. And meanwhile, all this goes in my head. Nothing happens. Remember, I'm not proving anything here. I'm just inviting you into my here. You complain. We complain about our lives, But look at that dog, living every day in the smallest space. He doesn't think about killing himself.
I have to warn you,
Does
there
he?
is not really an end in this. But if you want to know when to clap, if you feel like clapping, then the moment to do that is going to be when you stop listening at this voice. So, this warning is saying when you don't hear this anymore for about 5 seconds, then there is the moment to clap. Of course, however, you are free for not clapping. However, again, consider the poor, not so little person behind all this, okay?
They were walking in front of me, a mother, a girl, and a grandmother. At first I thought, what a lovely girl. Then I saw her mother and I thought, oh, I hope she doesn't get like her mom. Then I thought, oh, that woman is the future of that girl. Then I thought, the girl must be the present. And just then I realized that there was an old woman also besides them. And I thought, the old one is the past.
Y como un torrencial de agua se tragaba al niño y al dibujo. Pero al final, lo interesante es que el niño, aunque al principio se movía, después no era más que un dibujo y solo quedaba como una mezcolanza de pinturas.
If the sound of cold comes into the no world, just wall, not the wall, not the one in the right, but in all the walls, as a whole big rock, living wall. Sometimes it's just the cold of these walls, the only thing which holds my breath. I don't want to have troubles, I don't want problems, just an easy life, he said. All the circumstances, everything is gone, and you only can think about it for an instant. Then it's gone. You smell it for so shortly that the only thing you can express is the reminiscence. Sometimes I would like to have one day short hair, and the next day I would like to have long hair. Everything would be easier. Me one says, you're going to do this, okay? You like this. Me two says, no, I don't want that. Me one says, then what do you want? Me two says, I don't know. I can't explain. Me one says, then you're doing nothing. Me two says, maybe, but maybe nothing is what I'm doing. Go from beginning to end and do a plan and stick to the plan and move on. Have you ever imagined that the floor is alive? Need to be a child and articulated. No, I'm not hungry. I need a new notebook. Blur, 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 blur. And then, of course, blur, 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 blur. Can you imagine? Blah, 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 blah. And then this blah, blah, blah. I mean, blah, 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 of the blah, 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 blah. That at the end, blah, 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 blah. Nothing personal, blah, 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 blah. But of course, blah, 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 blah. And that's why blah, 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 blah. But not blah, 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 blah. And then you just get the blah, 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 blah. That's it.